Hi everyone, welcome back to another virtual story time. I'm Miss Nicole, and today we're going to be reading about fall. Now that Halloween's over, it's the perfect time to really get into those fall festivities. So today's book is called Mouse's First Fall. So let's figure out how this mouse likes to celebrate in the fall. One cool fall day, Mouse and Minka came out to play. So here we have Mouse and Minka. Tumbling and twirling, fall leaves fell all around. Look at the colors, said Minka. What colors do you see? I see orange and red and a little bit of yellow. Those are all fall colors. Mouse saw red leaves and yellow leaves and orange leaves and brown leaves. Pretty. Now we don't get a traditional fall here in the Keys, but we still do see leaves falling and changing colors. Look at all the shapes, said Minka. Leaves come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. Mouse saw round leaves and skinny leaves, pointy leaves, and smooth leaves. Yay! Let's run through the leaves, said Minka. Mouse ran and skipped and kicked and swished through all the leaves. Fun! Let's pile them up, said Minka. Have you ever made a pile of leaves before? I have. Mouse piled the leaves high. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, lots of leaves. Yippee! What a big pile, said Minka. Let's jump in. Have you ever jumped into a pile of leaves? I have. It's lots of fun. Mouse leaped and jumped and plopped and rolled into the leaves. Whee! I'm hiding, called Minka. Can you find me? Where do you think Minka is? Do you see her? I think I see a little bit of a tail over here. Mouse peeked and poked and peered between the leaves. Where could Minka be? Can you find her tail? There it is. Then out popped Minka. Here I am. Hooray! Hooray for Minka. Hooray for Mouse. Hip, hip, hooray for fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed the story called Mouse's First Fall. And for today we have a craft and activity all about fall. Our activity is going to be matching different leaves. So this activity can be found on our Google Classroom, which you can register for free at Keywest.garden/education. You can either do this with real leaves, like I'm going to do, or you can print out our worksheet and then cut out the leaves and play a matching game that way. So, I have several leaves here. I have some big yellow leaves, some big green leaves, and I even have small green leaves. These small ones are actually from one of our native plants, the plumeria. And what I did is I cut the leaves in half. And what we're going to do is try to find their matches. So let's see. I have this big yellow leaf. Does this one match? No. How about this one? Do they go together? No, this is much too small. How about this one? Looks like I found a match. Let's do one more. So here I have a small green leaf. Well, this leaf is green. Let's see if they match. No, different sizes. But here I have two small green, and look, they match. So you can do this activity by either finding leaves around your home and cutting them in half like I did, or you can print out our worksheet and cut out the pictures of leaves. For our craft today, we have something really fun. We're going to make a fall tree snack. A snack? You heard me right. So I made my fall tree snack out of pretzels, Cheetos, and Skittles. How yummy does this look? So you can follow the tutorial on our Google Classroom again, and it will show you how to make your own fall tree snack. You can put it down on a plate and then munch on it later. So I used some Skittles and Cheetos and pretzels, but you can use whatever you have at home. Just think of what has fall colors. So things like green, orange, yellow, red, and brown. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's fall story. Show us your fall tree snack or your leaf matching game on #KW Virtual Garden. And see you next time for another virtual story time. Happy fall!